In this video, we are going to understand about the concept nature of roots. I have written three equations here and let us compare it to standard form. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? So the value of a is 1, b is minus 5 and c is equal to 6. Right? Now if we have to factorize this equation, then x minus 2 into x minus 3. You can use your splitting of middle term. You will get this. So the value of x is equal to 2 comma 3. Right? Now if we have to find out a, b and c here, again you compare. Now I can write x square plus 0x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 4. Now if I wish to factorize this, I know I cannot find out any answer, no solution. Why I am saying this? Because there cannot be any squared value जिसको हम 4 में ऐड करें और आंसर 0 आए. और you may write this as x square is equal to minus 4, which is not possible for me at least now, because I cannot find out any number जिसका square क्या हो, negative हो. So such a solution, in such a case, the solution is not possible. Now the third one, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. If I have to find out the solution, this is whole square of x plus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. This is how I can find out the solution. Now let us look at the solutions. How many solutions it has? It has 2 solutions. It has no solution or 0 solutions. And how many solutions? There are 2 solutions, but both are equal. 2 solution, but they are equal. 2 solutions, but they are unequal solution. And here we have 0 solution. 0 solution. Right, so keep this in mind, and I am telling you now another way, which is called quadratic formula. Now what is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is a formula by which we can find out the solutions of a given quadratic equation. Now suppose there are 2 solutions. The name of the quadratic solutions are alpha and beta. Now alpha beta is given by minus b plus minus square root of d by 2a. Now what do you mean by this? D is known as your discriminant. D-I-S-C-R-I, discriminant. Right? And the formula for D is b square minus 4ac. All of this you have to learn. Alpha comma beta, these are the 2 solutions. Now these 2 solutions can be found by minus b plus minus square root d upon 2a, where d is called your discriminant and the value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now in every question I will find out the value of d. If the value of d is, now let us check the value of d here when it is 2 and 3. So the value of d will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 5 ka square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 6. So how much it is? 25 minus 24. The answer is 1. So the value of d is 1 here. Check the answer here. D is equal to b square. B square means 0 ka square minus 4 into a into 4. So it is 0 minus 16. So the answer is minus 16. And check it here. Here d is equal to b square. B square means 4 ka square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 4. So it is 16 minus 16. 16 minus 16, the answer is 0. So now here I am telling you something very important. If d is greater than 0, then there are 2 solutions and they are unequal. If d is less than 0, then there are no solutions or 0 solutions. If d is equal to 0, then there are 2 solutions, but both of them are equal. We are doing it again. If d is greater than 0, then there are 2 solutions. If d is less than 0, then we have no solutions. If d is equal to 0, then we have two solutions which are equal solutions. Now we'll come back to our main point, which is nature of roots. So for a given quadratic equation, we have to find out the value of d, which is called discriminant. This d can be either greater than equal to 0 or less than 0. If the value of d is less than 0, then I say that this quadratic equation has no solution. As of now, it has no solution, or we may say that it has imaginary solutions. But imaginary solutions के केस में मुझे solutions नहीं find out करने हैं. If the value of d is greater than or equal to 0, then it has real roots or real solutions. Now, real solutions के again दो parts हो गए. If d is greater than 0 and if d is equal to 0. If d is greater than 0, then real तो already हैं, unequal roots. And अगर equal to 0 है, then equal roots. And this we have already checked that for x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, the value of d was coming out to be greater than 0, and that means two solutions. For x square plus 4 is equal to 0, the value of d was coming out to be negative, and that means zero solution. For x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0, the value of d was equal to 0, and hence two solutions. So just keep it in mind, if the value of d is greater than or equal to 0, then real and unequal roots. If the value of d is equal to 0, then real and equal roots. If the value of d is less than 0, then it has no solutions or imaginary solutions, right?